A reasonable startup cost, low key maintenance and high profit, learning how to start a street food stall could be your ticket to success. When you think about it, opening a street food stall is an excellent opportunity for an inspiring chef. It's a low-risk venture compared to proper restaurants. You also have a chance of gathering a large crowd once your business takes off. But that said, variables like restaurant management and restaurant marketing play a significant role in this business. You also need a proper setup before you do anything else. Once you get those factors right, you can generate a steady income. Is this something that you're looking for? Hi, my name is Massimo Montone. I'm the founder of Restaurant Keys and creator of Restaurant Launch Roadmap, where we teach you the 7 pillars for restaurant success. We take you from inception to launch. You see, I'm so blessed to have been working for the last 20 years with some of the most influential people in the industry today, and I've been able to crack the code of the 7 pillars and what you need to focus on. There is a link here to register for a free training coming up soon. Let's learning everything you need to know how to kickstart your food business. Here are the 5 key elements to focus on. Find your specialty, choose your location, get the paperwork that needs to be done, create a proper business plan, and do your own site and online branding. Now, how are you going to look for the specialty? In the past decade or so, the food street market has rapidly grown from humble stalls to gourmet eateries. You can get anything from British staples to Indian fusion food with a short distance of each other. Venturing into this highly competitive market means that standing out is essential. On the flip side, our diverse food industry has ample space for more cooks. The only thing you need is a specialty dish that aligns with your niche. We'd recommend narrowing your menu to a hero ingredient or recipe that you can master. That way you will have a unique selling point when you set up shop. It's important you research the market and perfect your recipe beforehand. It's important to know what is trending and how you can integrate those factors when you start with your marketing. Choose your location is a key element, and you may already have an idea in mind. There is a chance that this may not be the right location for your business. You should research the area and consider certain elements before you set up. This is because your nearest competition, foot traffic, and location guidelines could make or break your profit. Things that matter the most are choosing a commercial area with a high footfall during the week. Try to select a spot that does not have similar street food. Opt for a location that is visible. Remember, selecting a bright colored truck can grab attention too. Consider the opening and closing timing of other food vendors. In addition, it would help if you learn about parking permits, license, and knowing information that will give you a better idea how things will pan out for your business. Plus, there is a chance that your favorite spot is already off limits. Get the paperwork done by filling all the legal forms, and application is a significant part of learning how to start a street food stall in the UK. You can get a rough idea about the necessary legal requirements via the UK official website, where there is a business registration page. It provides you with the basic information required to legalize your business. Here is an overview of what you may need. Street trading license, food hygiene certification with environmental health, and hand washing sanitation other than a sink just to wash your cooking utensils, risk assessment, the HACCP, the gas safety certification and electrical license for your cooking equipment, the liability insurance for the public and for your employee, if you have any, and you need to sign up for the street food pitch. Beside this, you can hire a restaurant consultant and also a lawyer who could speed up this documentation for you. So you can streamline the process, and they can guide you through the emerging obstacle post-COVID-19. Every successful entrepreneur needs a business plan. When you are learning how to start a street food stall, it could help you measure the feasibility of this endeavor. Additionally, it enables you to stay focused and prepared. Start by setting up budget goals, collecting restaurant marketing ideas, and planning how to arrange your food stall. True, you can calculate the initial setup cost, and whatever is required, for your street food stall. Here is our take on some main elements of your business plan. How much does it cost to start a street food stall? Well, a street food stall would cost between 5,000 to 50,000. It all depends on what you want to do and your budget. Depends on your license, the monthly budget, and how much you estimate to spend. Do you plan to operate a cash-only food stall, or will you accept cards? Having a dual payment system is more effective than for the modern demographic. Do you plan to hire help? Running a one-cook food stall is very overwhelming. Consider hiring at least one helper to maintain the service standards that you want to maintain. What about the main stall? Weigh the pros and cons of running a business using pop-up tables and booths compared to a food truck. The first option is a budget-friendly investment for anybody who is in low cash. If you are not ready for a full-fledged stall, you can start running an online food delivery business right from your home. Use it to generate sufficient funds and exposure that you need to open that street food stall that you dream of. You need to work also on on-site and online branding. Today, your delicious food and authentic recipe are part of running a profitable business. The other half depends on your savvy restaurant marketing skills. There are 3 crucial steps you need to begin. Branding starts with an appealing name and a catchy slogan. Think about it. Everyone knows that it's finger-licking good at KFC, and it's a whole new neighborhood when you head to Applebee. Likewise, you need a memorable name and a great tagline to make an impression on your prospective audience. Everything from your brand logo to the color of your food stall needs to align with your brand identity. Evoke their emotions and gain visibility by selecting a head that convey the vibe you want to create. Use a similar strategy when you are purchasing serving utensils and in all your marketing content. Opt for a mixed marketing plan to reach a wider audience. That means distributing pretty flyers, running an effective social media campaign, and renting a high-catching vehicle with a signage. You also need an official social media handle and a website to connect with your tech-inclined audience. The key here is to stay consistent. Whether you are a marketing online or offline, also use marketing content that resonate with your audience. This nonsense will draw in more attention compared to conventional and costly advertisement. Overall, learning how to start a street food stall is all about knowing the logistics involved alongside other aspects of management and marketing. Once you have everything in order, you can turn on the stove and impress your customers with the lip-smacking treats. Eventually, it will lead to a booming food business. For now, stay safe, be happy, and make a difference.